Well, I think spring summer's perfect for pinks. And what I'm wearing right now is the elegant pink lipstick, which is one of my favorite from the collection. And I think it goes really well, like for a brunch since it's summer and spring, as well as, for like an early evening night out kind of thing. Well, I think my go-to makeup look will always be the Lakme iconic Kohl Kajal pencil, because that is synonymous with me and with Lakme. I think that will never leave my handbag, and like it's my forever love. Honestly, there's no like skincare as such. It's not like I'm like, have like a 5-step plan that, okay, now this is what I'm doing, a moisturizer or a toner and so and this and that. I don't think so. I think it's just that I use like a very simple basic moisturizer. Well, I think it would be like, dramatic, hot, as well as, very, very like structured.